In this video, I show you how to fix phone is starting problem on Samsung Galaxy phone. For solving this problem, turn off your phone, then tap on power button and volume up button together. Now press volume down button to get wipe cache partition. Now tap on power button to OK. Power button to OK. Then scroll volume down button. Press volume down button. Then tap power button to OK. Now press power button to reboot your phone. Wait for few minutes. Now I hope that this method fix phone is starting problem on Samsung Galaxy phone.